Welcome to your new home at Bestari Jaya by Scientex. A freehold land for under 300,000. You made the right choice. You get an 18 by 60 plot of land with a 1,369 square feet build-up space. That's a lot of room to play with. Just like this car park over here, you can fit 2 cars next to each other. But let's check out the unit, right? Oh yeah, I know what you're thinking. Open living concept. You can see to the back of the house from here. But did I not tell you that there are 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in this unit? Like this room over here. This is the 4th bedroom. You can use it for your parents, for your kids, for working, for storage. It's really up to you. And did I not tell you that there's 3 feet of land behind your unit where you can do gardening, the laundry, or you can even extend your unit out further. But don't let me get started with the kitchen. The kitchen is an epitome of the interior design golden triangle where you can prep food, cook and clean all in one spot. And Bestari Jaya also gave a concept that you can put a bar table over here so that you can serve your guests who are in the living and dining very easily and interact with them. But most importantly for families, while you are preparing food in the kitchen, you can still keep an eye on your kids in the living room. So now let's go upstairs. Don't be surprised, you have a family area over here and with an aerial above. But let's check out your room, the master bedroom. The master bedroom is big. Over here you can see there's a queen size bed and there's a wardrobe over this side. And Bestari Jaya's concept is you can actually put a partition over here and make this into a walk-in wardrobe. And at the same time, the partition is where you can put a television. So a lot of personal space over here. And also, if you need fresh air, there's a balcony. So, don't be shy. Go ahead. And now let's check out the 2 rooms at the back. Perhaps one for each kid or more. This is room number 2. And this is room number 3. With a lot of natural light coming in. Personal space for your family to grow, away from the hustle and bustle of the busy city life. This township provides education, commercial units, hospitals and clinics, and many more. And is well connected to WCE and Lata highways. This is a place you can really call home. Remember pragmatic? Remember Scientex.